Let's talk about Lougarou in Haitian culture. Lougarou is a nocturnal creature in Haiti that specially aims to harm kids or even better babies. So usually when babies get sick or die in Haiti, 90% of the time they're gonna accuse a Lougarou. So the belief goes Lougarous suck babies or kids' blood like vampire does, and it is usually at night. And if you are spiritually awake, you can feel their heavy presence at night when they come sucking that baby's blood. They don't suck the baby's blood literally, they stay at the top of the roof of the house. A lot of times people can hear them, the stomping and weird noises, and their presence kind of sucking up that baby's energy, making them sick. You know, babies are often awake, crying, making noises in the middle of the night that draws Lougarou's attention. Every neighborhood has a Lougarou or more in Haiti. It is quite impossible to be Haitian, whether you were raised in Haiti or not, to not have heard stories or tales of Lougarou, or people literally telling stories of how they encounter Lougarou at some point in their lives. A Lougarou can take any animal forms he wants to, but sometimes the forms they take are like a hybrid between human and a wild bird. Very oddly, when they fly, they are dragging this sort of fire at the back of their tails. I remember when I was a kid having so many friends saying they had seen Lougarou before. They were like these flying creatures at night with fire drag like at their back of their tails. The animal most associated with Lougarou are cats, especially black cats. But Lougarou are in essence normal humans that turn into these nocturnal creatures. Usually those people were cursed, maybe a family cursing, and some people say even someone can curse you into being a Lougarou. Or the Loa can do that also. Usually it's because you ask that Loa too many favors to hurt, harm other people, so at some point it will backfire, turning your lives upside down, killing you or just cursing you into being a Lougarou. Because you are an evil person, your intentions are not pure, you want to harm people for jealousy or just envy, malicious reasons. In Haiti, most people suspecting of being a Lougarou are old people, especially old women. Many poor old women, especially in low-income neighborhood, are falsely accused of being a Lougarou a lot of time in Haiti. Usually, if you are poor, not very good looking, you're lonely, don't have many friends or family support around, and on top of all that, you are a woman, you are a Lougarou. A man can get accused of being a Lougarou too, don't get me wrong, but it happens to women more often than it does to men. I remember a recent event that happened back in 2018 or 2019 in my neighborhood in Haiti. That one guy met with an old lady at 3 to 4 a.m. in the morning in a small corridor. He beat her up to death. People were waking up from the sleep, hearing the screaming of that poor woman and everything, but they kept minding their own businesses. The police later arrested the guy, and his reason why he beat that poor old woman to death is because he thought she was a Lougarou. So basically, if you're an old woman, you have no business walking around in the streets when it's dark because of the sick individuals who are looking for a reason to beat someone to death. It is sickening and sad, but it's the reality in Haiti. The majority of the population believe Lougarou is a real thing, and some people suffer the consequences. And I also remember some childhood friends that just moved in my neighborhood telling me that one of their little cousins' dad used to take that said cousin out at night flying in the sky doing Lougarou's thing because he was training him to become a Lougarou later in life. And that cousin didn't deny anything. He said, yep, my dad used to do that with me because he was a Lougarou. And I kind of believe them because they came from one of the most notorious places in Haiti that has a lot of supernatural activity going on. If you are Haitian, you might be guessing it is either Gonaïve, Jeremy, or Logan. Well, they were from Jeremy, so my little brain at the time had to believe them, okay? Now, when people feel the presence of a Lougarou on their house roof, they will take a handful of salt and throw it in the direction aiming where they think the Lougarou is while they are chasing it away. Some people go as far as setting up a trap for Lougarou, electrifying their wolf at night. They say when they are transforming into Lougarous, they leave their human skins behind in their home. So if you can spot that shaded skin, you can put salt and hot pepper on it to prevent them from putting back the human skin again, or just poisoning the skin, which will make them get sick in their human form. I said some humans are unjustly accused of being a Lougarou and suffer for it. Well, black cats suffer too. People would often beat up black cats because they think they are Lougarous, even killing the cats or holding the cats captive, waiting for it to turn back into human form. Sometimes they beat up the cats and let them go, and suddenly by chance an old person in the neighborhood get sick the same day or have injuries similar with the cat that they had beaten up the previous night. So some people use that as a tactic to know who is a Lougarou in the neighborhood. Remember I said a lot of Haitians believe Lougarou is a thing, and some believe that some laws curse evil people into being a Lougarou? Well, you might be surprised to know that a lot of voodooists, especially the ones that I'm familiar with, don't think Lougarou is a thing. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not that they don't think people can turn into animals or other creatures, but it's mainly the whole Lougarou phenomenon. They don't believe it's real. It's not part of Haitian voodoo beliefs. Apparently, it might be a myth from European influence back in colonization time. But whether it's a myth or not, a good chunk of the population in Haiti strongly believe that Lougarou is a thing in Haiti. This is the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the link of this video to more people so that we can grow the channel, okay? And to show appreciation, you can use my PayPal link in the description or just use the thanks button, okay? And thank you so much for watching again. Take care and see you in another video.